Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can enter the settings. Here in this left section we have to scroll down, to the very bottom to find the option System. And at the very top we've got the option System Update. Basically, usually if you've got this red dot next to the System Update, it means that you can update the system. So you've got the new version pending. However, all you have to do basically is to tap on System Update, and you will be able to meet two different scenarios. The first one is where your device is up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, it will show you relevant information about it. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added. As you can see here, we've got this section, what's new, and after that you will be able to tap on download or install somewhere here, and your device will install the update. As you can see, in my case, it is currently installing it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.